new jar, new water jar, new. So I'm going to use this one for the first time. This is filter, and interesting things is this one. You can see the temperature here. See? So I'm going to use this one for the first time, and I'll share my experience with you. So I'm going to put hot water first. So water inside. Now I put green tea in the filter. So here is my Lowe's green tea leaf. I'll take half teaspoon and I'm going to put here. So if you want, you can add 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to leave it on there. That's it. And I'm going to pour a little bit water on the tea leaves. So the hot water going down, so it will take 3 to 5 minutes to complete my green tea. So I will wait 3 to 5 minutes or 4 minutes, it's depend on you. And I'm going to turn the lid on. So once you lid on and touch, so you can see what is the temperature is. Let me see, so it's 90 to 82 degree. So once you touch, it will show the temperature of the water inside, how hot it is. And I did not take off this plastic because if it's not working, so I will return it, that's why. So it's better first time if you are using, do not take any plastic on the label. So if it's not working, so you can go back to the shop and return it, or take your money back or exchange. So I think it's working. It's 97 now. Now it's almost 3 to 4 minutes. I will take off and check my tea. Oh, great. Now I can sip my tea from the tea glass. So now at the moment I'm at home, so I can drink it on the glass. This is normally based on if you go around for holiday or for long time work or your gym fitness, so you can take your drinks, hot drinks in it, and enjoy from this one. So thank you very much. I'm not sure how much I explain, but if I mix anything, so you can hopefully understand, because I'm using for the very first time. So if anyone used this kind of hot pot, so let me know in the comment how is your experience and how this is work. Thank you very much for today. Please subscribe and follow and show your love. Thank you. Have a good day and be healthy.